Hello everyone, this is Bhavya here and you're watching me on Bhavya GlamGirl. So in today's video, I will be telling you about 5 beauty mistakes that you probably did not know of. Most of us today are facing an upteen number of beauty issues related to the skin and hair. Sometimes we are too lazy to remove our makeup and go to bed without cleaning it off. Most of us are so careless when we go out in the sun, we tend to forget its after effects. So are you one of them? Then be aware you must be following some seriously bad beauty habits. So let's get started the beauty habits that you did not know of. Number 1. Sleeping with your makeup on. Sleeping with your makeup on can be more serious than you think. Sometimes we are so tired and lazy to wash our face and remove the makeup after a long tiring day. But it is important that you do so because this can cause wrinkles on your skin and certain other problems of redness, itchiness on your skin. Number 2. Hot water shower. Hot water can take away the natural essential oils from your body. This leaves your body dry. It also opens your skin pores due to which it can lead to further problems. Bathing in water that's too hot can cause itchiness and leave our skin red. However, you can use lukewarm water to take a shower in order to avoid the above issues. Number 3. Stop picking at your face. It's habit for all of us to stare at the mirror and pop all the blackheads and pimples. At times, it is fine to pop the blackheads if you know how to do it exactly. But if you pop your pimples or blackheads regularly, it can create scars on your skin. Number 4. Overexposure to the sun. When you roam around in the sun, remember that it causes damage to our skin. This may lead to skin tanning, redness, wrinkles on the skin. Although we know the importance of sunscreen, we tend to forget about it many times. Tip number 5. Stop biting your nails. Biting your nails can be a habit for some people. But have you ever wondered the damages caused by habit of biting your nails? It can lead to peeling cuticles, wrecked and chipped nails. So guys, I hope this video is beneficial for you all. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section below. I will be back with more beauty and glamorous video on my channel Bhavya GlamGirl. Till then, bye.